This video tutorial will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Frea or Frea. There are some ways how to pronounce the name of this ransomware. It is spelled F-R-E-A. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files. And I will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. You can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this free ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So very soon, users may suddenly realize that their files are no longer available because of this free ransomware. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the data essentially. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. The ransomware is called Frea because it appends this FREA extension to the file names, and it is indeed impossible to use the data. The ransomware, as I said, also reveals a special ransom note, but you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste the money. This is the ransom note, and also the ransomware actually changes the desktop background. Do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. I recommend you to urgently remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. Get to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser, combocleaner.com. So you will need to use this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and then start carefully researching the system. So this is the way the software looks like. It is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. After you do that, most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files, by the way. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively detect and remove this ransomware. You can, by the way, upgrade to premium license, and you can even request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. And to remove this ransomware, of course. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.